Okay. Time now for this hour's car review. And this is the vehicle that the Zekins and I went to the Granbury Remote a couple of weeks ago.
It's huge.
It's the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. Here are the trim levels. It's available in the Pro, which is basically the work truck, the SLE, the SLT, the AT4, and the Denali. What did I have? The Denali Ultimate four-wheel drive diesel. It's like
awesome.
A freight train.
It is.
It's like a locomotive.
Oh, yeah.
What size and what class?
Big.
Great big 3/4 ton pick-em-up truck. I don't know how else to put that.
Ginormous.
Seats 5, including the driver. Exterior changes from last model year, introduced in 2020. Of course, you know they do tweaks every model year, and I didn't drill it down that deeply, but it's big.
You didn't tweak it?
I didn't. Exterior features, huge. The top of the hood, standing next to it, the top of the hood is at my chin. I'm 6'1". Do the math. This thing is that big. That's just the top of the hood. The hood is almost 6 feet off the ground. Unbelievable. Massive grille. It changes character with the trim level.
But it's got a sturdy truck look to it.
Oh, my God.
Some of the trucks don't have the
sturdy
truck look
isn't the
anymore.
word.
Yeah.
It's massive.
Yeah.
It is massive. Black plastic wheel opening moldings on this that really kind of highlights the wheel openings, unless, of course, you get a black truck. Who would do that?
Yeah.
Get the multi-use tailgate. This one came with that.
It's nice.
That multi-use tailgate is the bomb, I'm telling you. What I liked, its largeness. Is largeness a word?
It is now.
It is. Well, we just coined that phrase. This thing,
I've heard it before.
you saw it. You saw it out there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God, it's big. What could use improvement? Okay. How about the performance look with the gasoline motor? Because that's an option, the gasoline motor. I don't know. What could use improvement on something like this? It is a purpose-built 3/4 ton massive hauler, either in the bed or tow behind.
With an ultimate luxury package.
Correct.
That's
interior
part of
true.
Denali.
Yeah.
And
well, let's
the
just talk
Ultimate.
about
very
that
soft.
as a matter of fact. The interior highlights, dash looks like a 747 control panel with attractive stitching on the dash pad itself, on the Denali, which is what I had. Stop yawning. Wood trim highlights on the Denali. Functional infotainment system that's easy to use, and it's got a nice big screen in it too. Surround cameras help when maneuvering in tight spots. And let me tell you something. It doesn't make any difference what size the parking spot. It's going to take up all of it and more.
It did.
It will not fit in a regular parking space. Side to side, yeah. Barely.
But lengthwise.
So lengthwise,
So you're not going to put it in your garage?
Not in a normal
absolutely
Unless
garage.
you got a garage, you can fit it.
2 bed lengths are available: the 6 foot and 6 foot 8 inches, or the 8 foot 1 inch. I think this one had the 8 foot 1 inch.
It was
This
huge.
is massive. What I liked about it, its hugeness. What could use improvement? I think a dump truck bed option would be good.
Oh.
What do you? Don't laugh.
On a Denali.
Yeah, on a Denali. I got to go deliver some rocks over there in Vider. I'm gonna take my dump truck part of it. Anyway,
You better call Mike.
this had a 6.6 liter turbo diesel with 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque.
It's a monster.
But it is not the top of the class when it comes to just that.
Power.
Yep. I think that there is a nice compromise between the Chevy and others like it, because the Chevy doesn't go crazy
Or
with it.
GMC.
I'm sorry, GMC. It's no difference.
There is to the people who were
I know.
selling
It
them.
goes down the same dang assembly line.
Yes, they do.
Okay. Tow rating, 18,500 pounds. Can you say house behind you?
Mm-hmm.
Haul rating, 3,579 pounds. Now, miles per gallon is not rated by the EPA. And
So that'll haul a lot of donkey.
A lot of donkey.
A
a
lot
lot of donkeys.
A lot of big donkey.
Monty.
Monty, the singing donkey. 3/4 ton is not rated by the EPA. What did I get? With its 36-gallon fuel tank, I got 15.3 miles per gallon, over 793.5 miles to Granbury and back, plus work miles on the tollway.
That's pretty good for a monster truck.
It is. It truly is. What I liked about the engine package, holy power is what I put down here.
No, I love the D-Max. The Duramax is such a well thought out diesel engine as it applies to an automotive sized truck.
Ride and handling, better than expected for a 3/4 ton, but it is stiff with no load in it. If I would have put 1,000 pounds worth of cement bags in the back of it, I think it would have tamed that down a little bit.
Yeah,
but
probably.
I didn't, because this is built to haul stuff. So you're going to have a suspension that isn't quite
Designed for the
pliable.
hauling. Yeah.
Let me put it that way. What could use improvement? Why not? Are we keeping you awake this morning?
No, I'm just waiting for the
Important
exciting
stuff.
part.
Thank you. What could use improvement? How about an adjustable suspension? They've got airbag suspensions on big dump trucks. Why not put one on this?
Well, I think they do on the half ton with the magnetic ride control, but I don't
but
think
it's still got a spring.
but I
Yeah,
don't think you can
but
get
it-
magnetic ride control on the 3/4.
I'm
No,
not
because
talking
it
about-
won't carry the load.
But a bagged suspension will. Because they make bag suspensions for those great big humongous trailer trucks with it, the haul rocks and
and
stuff.
some of
Bags
the
is-
guys that are pushing up, the 20 and 24-inch lifts on the 3/4 ton trucks, they're using airbags in that
So
suspension
maybe it's
kit.
something for GM to consider.
And what about the dually? The dually has it.
or
does
the
it?
dually? I think
The
is
shoes
way
in
over.
Granbury.
The dually is way overrated, I believe.
I got it.
I got it too.
Because it really doesn't add that much to its capability.
Well, dually is functional for a certain level of towing. That's what you need because you need that
fifth wheel.
traction and the ability to carry that weight on the bed of the vehicle.
In the fifth
So,
wheel.
yeah.
Okay, here we go. So the base trim price
Oh, here we go.
is $91,900
for the Denali.
for the Denali.
Base.
Price is tested $94,835. Now you can get into a 3/4 ton for $46,600. That's not with the diesel though. $46,600. Now here are the competitors. The Ford 3/4 ton, $43,035. The Ram is $49,000 and the Chevy is $46,900. And I'd like to thank General Motors and GMC for letting us take it to Granbury, which was a 575-mile round trip. So that's my review of the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. The N-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Just look for N-Wheel Time Car Talk. We also video stream on Facebook, YouTube, and nwheeltime.com. And podcasts are at your fingertips on over a dozen of the most popular podcast outlets. The N-Wheel Time Car Talk Show continues after this quick break.